May is the month that can make or break your whole garden season. Plant too early, surprise cold snaps can stunt your crops. Plant too late, summer heat sneaks up faster than a raccoon at an open trash can. But here's the good news. Most gardeners only need a simple plan in May to grow fresh vegetables, colorful flowers, and healthy plants without turning gardening into a second full-time job. Today, we're covering what to plant right now, how to plant it correctly, and the common mistakes that quietly ruin gardens every single year. For most gardeners across the country, May is the green light month. The soil finally warms up, frost danger starts fading away, and plants begin growing faster and stronger. This is when warm season crops finally feel comfortable outdoors. And honestly, plants are a lot like retired folks. They don't enjoy cold feet either. The first thing to do before planting is simple. Check your local last frost date. If nighttime temperatures stay mostly above 50 degrees, many popular garden plants are ready to go into the ground. Let's hit the classics. Tomatoes are probably number one. Plant them deep so the stem underground develops extra roots. That creates a stronger plant later. Peppers love warm soil and sunshine. They usually grow slower at first, but once summer heat arrives, they take off quickly. Cucumbers grow fast and love climbing trellises. Give them room or they'll spread across the garden like they own the place. Beans are easy for beginners. Bush beans stay compact, while pole beans climb upward and save space. Squash and zucchini can become garden giants almost overnight. One healthy zucchini plant can feed a family, neighbors, and probably a small fishing club. Corn should be planted in blocks instead of single rows, so wind can pollinate it properly. Melons, pumpkins, and watermelons also go in now if your weather is warm enough. Let's keep going. Some crops still enjoy the cooler side of spring. Carrots, beets, radishes, lettuce, spinach, and green onions can still be planted in many areas during early May. These plants often grow better before the intense summer heat arrives. Radishes are especially great for impatient gardeners because some are ready in less than a month. That's about the fastest reward you'll get in gardening besides finding a forgotten tomato sandwich in the refrigerator. Keep lettuce watered consistently so it stays tender and doesn't become bitter. A good garden isn't only about vegetables. Flowers attract pollinators that help your plants produce more food. Marigolds are popular because they're bright, easy to grow, and may help reduce certain garden pests. Zinnias grow fast and provide colorful blooms all summer long. Sunflowers add height, beauty, and food for birds later in the season. Petunias and geraniums work well in containers and around patios for easy color. A garden with flowers simply feels alive. And after 65, many gardeners realize the peaceful feeling of the garden matters just as much as the harvest itself. First, improve your soil before planting. Mix in compost or aged manure to feed plants naturally. Second, mulch around plants after planting. Mulch helps hold moisture, reduces weeds, and keeps soil temperatures steady. Third, water deeply instead of lightly. Deep watering encourages stronger roots. Fourth, don't overcrowd plants. Give plants breathing. Finally, support climbing plants early with cages, stakes, or trellises before they become giant, tangled monsters. So, here's the simple May planting game plan. Plant warm season favorites like tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, beans, squash, and corn once temperatures stay warm. Keep cooler weather crops like lettuce, carrots, radishes, and spinach growing while spring weather lasts. Add flowers like marigolds and zinnias to attract pollinators and bring life into the garden. And most importantly, focus on healthy soil, proper watering, mulch, and good spacing. Gardening doesn't have to be complicated to be rewarding. Sometimes the best gardens come from simple routines done consistently. A few seeds, a little patience, some sunshine, and suddenly you're carrying tomatoes into the house like you just won a county fair ribbon. If you're just getting started, begin with tomatoes, bush beans, and marigolds. Bonus tip: spend a few quiet minutes in your garden every morning if you can. If this helped, please subscribe for more gentle garden tips.